We were lucky to come when here was almost no one. That is Alex hiding. Come on, the adventures are going on. Zip line flying turtle.
Tarzan line.
Alex, would you like to go?
No.
No. Трус?
No, I'm
Боится лобовой.
No, I'm too old.
Too old.
For this adventure. Здесь спуск есть. Давай по нему и пойдем прям.
Цикады are singing. As we love turtles, we could not miss the chance to go to the turtle lake. I'm sure turtles do not live there, that as well, just the name. But who knows? Here, guys, several cafes with wonderful view to the water. Barbecue zona.
Прикольно, китайка, смотри.
Что?
Яблоки. Прикольно.
Alex loved the apples. Look, very, very small. That is my hand, and the size of the apples. Like cherries, guys, like cherries. Very interesting. Poor doggy, too hot. Они еще все меховые. Alex, how is the water?
Теплая.
Warm? Let me show you guys how I film. I have a photo camera. I put it on a tripod. Here is the screen, I can turn it. So now the camera is filming. Yeah? And I can go here and the camera will film me. And now, guys, I will change the cameras because I have only one tripod, a small one. So I use this small tripod also as a handle. Let me show it. With one hand it is not convenient, so like this. And it turns into a handle. So here I can attach the photo camera and the action camera. Alex offered to stay here at this lake for 1 hour. We are not in a hurry. That is super cool because during the daytime is incredibly hot and it is nice to stay near the water. You can ask why I wear a jacket when it is plus 38 degrees centigrade and sunny. So I do not put sun protection or skin protection, how it is correctly called. So that is why I put a jacket with long sleeves, not just to burn my hands and arms. So that is the protection from the sun. А мороженого нету?
Мороженое там.
А, там? Ice cream.
One
لا
blue.
لا بلو
With this one mix. Two piece.
Bought 2 ice cream. One ice cream is $2, less than $1 American. So now go to the shade to hide from the sun. Now Alex won't be so grumbling. Yeah, Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah, now Alex has an ice cream. I offered him to drink beer, but he said no, very hot for beer. Ice cream is the best choice. So now we will hide somewhere and eat ice cream. It must be yummy in such hot day. Again, guys, the problems with benches, could find nothing in the shade of the trees, so all the benches are occupied. We saw 3 or 4 benches, so they are occupied, and we are sitting on the side of the road. The stone is rather cool and rather high, so let's relax a little bit, eat ice cream, and then continue the circle around the turtle lake. No English?
Yes, English.
Yes, English. Okay.
Only ice cream with vanilla aroma in milk coating.
Who produces? Alex could find the info. It is produced in Tbilisi. The Georgian ice cream. The real Georgian ice cream.
Так, пробуем. Пробуем стаканчик. Огонь.
Yummy?
Вообще прям супер. Обязательно попробуйте местное мороженое, очень вкусное.
Alex says if you are in Georgia, definitely you should try the local ice cream that is produced here.
Вообще
Very yummy.
супер. С кофе вообще.
And now this one, Alex. Try this one.
Господи, блин. Это прям пломбир из этих самых, из 80-х.
Alex says it's like a plombier from 1980s.
Вот ленинградское, это вкуснее.
Alex says the first one is tastier than this one. Но это вкусно?
Да. Ну, тоже отличное.
So Alex's choice is the first one, but this one is also good.
Супер.
So Alex, bon appétit.
Спасибо.
Alex said that he must take a picture with this huge tree. Incredibly huge. Стой, Алекс. Больше, наверное, не выпрыгнет. We saw a very, very big fish jumping out of the water, but the camera did not work at that time. The plate says swimming is prohibited, but people are swimming. So guys, we made a full circle. Very wonderful views and not very hot near the water. Here are also a few cafes and look, Baskin Robbins in Georgia. Let's check the prices. One scalp, single scalp, 5.50 lars.
One.
They also sell beer and some ice cream shop over there, but I won't go because Alex is waiting for me near the exit. Alex, the price of one scalp, 5.50 lars. That is, guys, about $2 for one scalp.
Один шарик, да?
Сколп — это вот что они набирают ложку. Шарик или как называется? Их ты. Smart Photo Booth. I think it works. 5 lars, guys. About $2. That is, guys, the free toilet. Very, very clean. Honestly, I'm surprised how clean it is. So there is soap, water, paper towels over here, and toilet paper also. And no unpleasant smell. Close door. Okay. So guys, we are leaving the lake. That was incredibly cool to spend half of the day here. So about 2 or 3 hours we are here. Incredibly cool. In the shade of these wonderful trees. Now we'll go back to the city by cable road. Alex! Alex is sleeping. Ой, шатается.
زده سالگوریم زاتاری
Что ты хочешь? Сфоткаться?
Нет. Хочу. Пойдем.